Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Morpank Entertainment. In this brand new channel, we can see TRP of various languages. We already seen the TRP of Bangla serials, Kannada serials, and Indian serial. But from today, in this video, we can see Telugu serials TRP. In this video, we can see top 20 Telugu serials with their respective TRP. So, if you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe to Morpank Entertainment. It's a small thing for you, but it means a lot for us. So please like, share, and subscribe. So, first of all, in today's video, we can see serials between top 20 to top 16. On number 20, we have the Telugu serial Mukku Pudka, and this week TRP of Mukku Pudka is 4.60. With this TRP, Mukku Pudka is coming in average category. Basically, in our video, we can considering serials in various categories called good category, average category, great category, danger category. The all categories is designed by TRP, so it's shown its TRP is good, bad, or great. So the Mukkupada is coming in average category. And on number 19, we have Star Ma serials Vantalakka, and this week TRP of Vantalakka is 4.63. With this TRP, Vantalakka is coming in average category. So on number 18, we have the Telugu serial Kodamma Katha, and this week TRP of Kodamma Katha is 4.63. With this TRP, Kodamma Katha is coming in average category. Then on number 17, we have the Telugu show Rajeshwari Vilas Coffee Cup, and this week TRP of Rajeshwari Vilas Coffee Cup is 4.87. With this TRP, Rajeshwari Vilas Coffee Cup is coming in good category. So on number 16, we have Star Ma serial Janaki Kalaguna Ledu, and this week TRP of Janaki Kalaguna Ledu is 5.00. With this TRP, Janaki Kalaguna Ledu is coming in good category. So now we can see the serials between top 15 to top 11. So on number 15, we have Star Ma serials Yada Layalo Indra Dhanussu, and this week TRP of Yada Layalo Indra Dhanussu is 5.03. With this TRP, Yada Layalo Indra Dhanussu is coming in good category. So on number 14, we have the Telugu serials Radhakku Nivira Pranam, and this week TRP of Radhakku Nivira Pranam is 5.12. With this TRP, Radhakku Nivira Pranam is coming in good category. So on number 13, we have Star Ma serial Intakku Dipam Ilayu, and this week TRP of Intakku Dipam Ilayu is 5.34. Then on number 12, we have Star Ma serial Inennu Janmala Bandhan, and this week TRP of Inennu Janmala Bandham is 5.44. With this TRP, Inennu Janmala Bandham is coming in good category. Then on number 11, we have the Telugu serials Chiranjeevi Lakshmi Saubhagyavati, and this week TRP of Chiranjeevi Lakshmi Saubhagyavati 5.81. With this TRP, Chiranjeevi Lakshmi Saubhagyavati is coming in good category. So now we can see serials between top 10 to top 6. So on number 10, we have Star Ma serial Nu Nena Prema, and this week TRP of Nu Nena Prema is 5.21. With this TRP, Nu Nena Prema is coming in good category. Then on number 9, we have Star Ma serials Mali, and Mali this week TRP is 6.35. With this TRP, Mali is coming in good category. So on number 8, we have the Telugu serial Amai Guru, and this week TRP of Amai Guru is 6.45. With this TRP, Amai Guru is coming in good category. So on number 7, we have Star Ma serial Krishnama Kalpatti Indranani, and this week TRP of Krishnama Kalpatti Indranani is 6.81. With this TRP, Krishnama Kalpatti Indranani is coming in good category. So on number 6, we have the Telugu serial Padmati Sandhya Ragam, and this week TRP of Padmati Sandhya Ragam is 7.0. With this TRP, Padmati Sandhya Ragam is coming in great category. So now we can see top 5 Telugu serials of this week. So on number 5, we have the Telugu serial Tiryani, and this week TRP of Tiryani is 8.04. With this TRP, Tiryani is coming in great category. So on number 4, we have Star Ma serial Krishna Mukunda Murari, and this week TRP of Krishna Mukunda Murari is 8.54. With this TRP, Krishna Mukunda Murari is coming in great category. So on number 3, we have Star Swarna serial Naga Panchami, and this week TRP of Naga Panchami is 8.57. With this TRP, Naga Panchami coming in great category. Then on number 2, we have the Telugu serial Prema Inta Madhuram, and this week TRP of Prema Inta Madhuram is 8.82. It's a huge TRP. With this TRP, Prema Inta Madhuram is coming in greatest category, and as well as Prema Inta Madhuram is the number 1 serial of the Telugu. Then the number 1 serial of Telugu television is Star Ma serial Brahmakundi, and this week TRP of Brahmakundi is 9.82. With this TRP, Brahmakundi is coming greatest category, and it's a number 1 serial of Telugu markets. So that's it for video. If you like today's video, then please like, share and subscribe more Pankha Entertainment. So see you in next video. Till then, take care.